To use Bitmart in India, you need to start by creating an account on the platform. Go to the Bitmart website and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Bitmart. Once your account is verified, you need to complete the Know Your Customer process, which is a mandatory step for all users. This involves uploading a government-issued ID and a proof of address. The accepted documents include passport, driving license, and Aadhaar card. After completing the KYC process, you can deposit funds into your Bitmart account. The platform supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit card, and cryptocurrency. To deposit Indian rupees, you can use a bank transfer or a payment gateway like Paytm or Google Pay. Once your account is funded, you can start trading on Bitmart. The platform offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can place a buy or sell order using the trading interface, which is user-friendly and intuitive. To place a buy order, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the cryptocurrency. To place a sell order, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount you want to sell. You can also set a limit price, which is the minimum price you are willing to accept for the cryptocurrency. It is essential to follow best practices when using Bitmart in India. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. Also, be cautious when trading and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Keep your account and wallet information private and never share it with anyone. In conclusion, using Bitmart in India is a straightforward process that involves creating an account, completing the KYC process, depositing funds, and trading on the platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can use Bitmart safely and securely.